Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to buy crypto with credit card on Coinbase. So I will use the Coinbase wallet because it's basically the same. So it's easier to do it here rather on the exchange. So for me this is a personal preference, but you can still do it the same. So just press buy right here and you'll just have to select how much. So we're going to buy 200 USDT right here. Select the network of course, and we're going to go with the Bitcoin network, and you can pay with your credit card right here, and just all you have to do is redirect it to the Alchemy Pay, and then you'll have to sign in, of course, basically. And then right here you can proceed to buy BTC, and then enter your email address, and then enter the details of your own actual credit card on the Coinbase that we have just did right here via alchemy.org. So there you go guys, it's really simple to buy cryptocurrency on your credit card on Coinbase. Basically just the same process when it comes to Coinbase, the exchange here in the Coinbase wallet. So there you go guys, and that's how you do it.